When it comes to updating your home, few projects have a more immediate impact than replacing old windows and doors. Not only can it transform your home's appearance, but it can also boost energy efficiency, comfort, and security. Yet, for many homeowners, the replacement process feels daunting, full of choices, technical terms, and coordination challenges. That's where Baytown Window and Door Solutions stands out. They've reimagined the experience to make window and door replacement as simple, transparent, and stress-free as possible. Personalized consultations tailored to your home. Every home is different, and so are the needs of every homeowner. Baytown Window and Door Solutions begins each project with a personalized consultation, ensuring that recommendations align perfectly with your home's style, architecture, and goals. Whether you want to enhance curb appeal, reduce energy costs, or improve interior comfort, their experts take time to understand your priorities. During the consultation, professionals assess existing windows and doors, identify any structural or insulation issues, and explain all available options clearly. No industry jargon, no pressure. They walk you through different materials, designs, and features, helping you make informed decisions that suit both your aesthetic preferences and budget. Streamlined selection and transparent pricing. Choosing the right products can be overwhelming, but Baytown Window and Door Solutions makes it easy. Their comprehensive selection process guides you through high-quality materials like vinyl, fiberglass, aluminum, and wood, as well as energy-efficient options designed to meet modern performance standards. Whether you're replacing a single window or upgrading your entire home, they simplify comparisons so you can focus on what truly matters: quality and value. One of the standout aspects of their service is transparent pricing. You receive a detailed estimate up front, breaking down all costs, materials, labor, and additional features, so there are no hidden fees or surprises later. This honesty helps build trust and allows you to plan your investment confidently. Professional installation with minimal disruption. A great product is only as good as its installation. Baytown Window and Door Solutions takes pride in providing precision installation services handled by certified technicians. Their team follows best practices for measuring, sealing, and fitting to ensure long-term durability and performance. Homeowners appreciate how efficient and tidy their installation process is. Crews arrive on time, protect your flooring and furnishings, and clean up thoroughly after completing the job. Most replacements are completed within a day or two, depending on project size, allowing you to enjoy your new windows or doors without major disruptions to your routine. Energy efficiency and long-term savings. One of the biggest advantages of working with Baytown Window and Door Solutions is their focus on energy efficiency. They offer windows and doors equipped with advanced insulation, double or triple glazing, and low-E coatings that minimize heat transfer. These features help keep your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter, reducing your reliance on heating and cooling systems and lowering utility bills over time. Beyond comfort and savings, energy-efficient installations can also increase your home's resale value. Buyers appreciate modern, sustainable upgrades, making your property more attractive in today's competitive market. Ongoing support and warranty protection. Unlike many contractors who disappear after installation, Baytown Window and Door Solutions stands by their work with comprehensive warranties and aftercare support. Their team remains available to answer questions, perform adjustments if needed, and ensure your satisfaction long after the project is done. This commitment reflects their dedication to long-term relationships, not just one-time transactions. A partner you can trust. Home improvement projects should enhance your home, not add stress. Baytown Window and Door Solutions simplifies every step of the replacement process, combining expertise, transparency, and care. From the first consultation to post-installation support, they ensure homeowners feel confident, informed, and delighted with their results. If you're ready to transform your home with modern, energy-efficient windows and doors, trust Baytown Window and Door Solutions to make it simple, seamless, and satisfying from start to finish.